Today, I want to talk regarding conversion tracking, which is a very important and essential element in your online marketing, especially with Google Ads. Now, what conversion action do is actually track your conversions, and through that you can find out which keywords are working well, which timings are working well, which location is working well, which areas are working well. This can actually help you in figuring out how you can optimize and scale your business and campaigns. Also, Google has designed their own algorithm based formula, and this conversion tracking also help that formula in optimizing your campaign and data. It is very important to track your conversions. This way you will help how you can improve and scale. So now in this video I'm going to tell you how to set up conversion tracking on Google Ads. When you are trying to set up conversion tracking on Google Ads, usually there are three ways through which you can do it. Install the tag yourself of the Google Ads customized tag. The second option is using Google Tag Manager, and the third is you can email to the developer to through which they can personally install using a developer. Now, if you do a comparison, I recommend you guys to use the Google Tag Manager, because with Tag Manager there is a single tag manager code, and if we apply it, we can apply it on all of the pages, and we can even connect with Google Ads data. Also, we can connect it with Google Analytics data. So now to create your own tag manager code, you can use Google Tag Manager. So the website, the URL is also written over here, tagmanager.google.com, through which you can create your own tag manager, and you can link it over here as well. So now creating your account at Google Tag Manager is very easy. Once you are logged into your tag manager, simply select the create account, then write your name over here, write your email over country over here, then write your URL over here, and then select your target platform and simply select the create button. That how easily you can create your conversion tracking code on tag manager. The other way is using the Google Ads website code. However, the tag code which you will use on the Google Ads will be different, and you have to manually put it, so that can be time consuming. Now coming back on conversion action, there are multiple conversion actions which you can do. For instance, you can track your purchase, you can track your add to cart, how many people are trying to do the add to cart and not converting, how many people are doing the begin checkout and then losing it somewhere, how many people are submitting your lead form, how many people are doing your phone calls and you're getting your leads over there, and then you're setting your own goals, and then there are also page view as well. So I'm just showing you the custom goals which you can do it, and this is one of the client who is actually doing it. Now if you have to do it, you simply have to select the create conversion action, and then you can select all of those goals. For instance, you are trying to you can see over here that we are being provided with four options: conversion on a website, conversion on an app, conversion from phone call, conversion offline. As told you before, when you create your own Google Tag Manager, it is very important that you have to connect it with your Google Ads before you are using it. And now to connect it, you have to search for connected products over here. Simply go to the search, write for connected products. You can also go to tools, data manager, and go to connected products. Simply move on over here, and you can see over here that your Google Tag Manager is already connected. Your Google Analytics GA4 is also connected. However, if it's not connected, you just simply have to go to the connect product. They will ask you where you want to connect. For instance, we have to connect it with our Google business profile or tag manager. It will show over here, but since it's already connected, it will not show over here, but it will automatically show over here. You just have to simply select it, and they will automatically connect with your Gmail account, and it's going to show you your relevant accounts over here. After this, once your Google Tag Manager is connected, simply select the continue over here, and then you can see over here that your Google Tag Manager will show over here like this. After this, simply go to the search over here and write conversions. Simply write conversions, and you can see over here that you have to go to goals, conversion and summary. This is the place through which you can create your own conversion tracking code. You are over here. Now create your conversion action. Simply select the create conversion action over here. Once you select the create conversion action, you can see that your tag manager is connected over here, and then you are being provided with 4 goals: conversions on a website, conversion on an app, conversion from phone call, conversions offline. So you can select either way from over here. Right now we are selecting the conversions on a website. After this, simply select the continue over here. Then you are selecting the continue, and here they are asking, what do you want to measure? Do you want to measure purchases? Do you want to measure signups? Do you want to measure subscribers? Do you want to measure lead forms? If you select the see all, you can see other options as well, such as booking appointment, requesting quotation, contacting, add to cart, begin checkout, get directions, page view, or outbounding. You can see over here that every thing has a different meaning, every purpose has a different meaning. So the most common action over here is either the purchase form over here, or the sign up form, or the submit lead form, or the book appointment. These 4 are the most common people use it, and the purchase is the ultra most popular method. So we are going with the purchase. When someone completes a purchase or a checkout, however, it is very important, you need to know your final thank you page. For instance, this is the website for which we are trying to do the conversion tracking. We need to know the thank you page where the customer will eventually land after completing their payments. So we figured this is there. We ask the client. You can ask your client. This is our own thank you page over here. You can see over here as well. So you need to figure your thank you page. This is the thank you page. After you figure out your thank you page, select the purchase method over here, and then you can see over here that there is no event selected. We can set up the event selected by going into setup over here, and then we can select the create a codeless event. Create an event that can be detected by your Google tag without adding any code to your website. We will select this one and select the use event as well. And over here we are selecting the event type page load, and we are going to write the thank you URL over here. Selecting the use event. After this, you can see over here, someone visits a page starting with incorporation thank you page, it will be a conversion automatically recorded, and the user will only land over here once he successfully do the purchase. You can see over here as well that the thank you payment is complete, it is your final page. After this, simply select the save and continue over here. Once you select the save and continue, you will be moved to the final page, and over here they are saying you to set up your Google tag. So now you can see over here that they use that Google tag manager, and they are asking us that you can use the Google tag manager to install this ID, or set up with a tag, Google tag, or email instructions over here. So we are going to set up with the Google tag. So we're going to select the setup over here. They are asking on how you can want to set up the Google tag. The first option is install with WordPress. The second option is install manually. With install manually, you are being provided with your Google tag code. You have to use this code, and you have to put it on your website, and then they will also provide you with a test installation as well to see if your code is actually present over there as well or not. After this, you have to close it, and then you can start measuring your campaigns. Another way to cross check your tracking is to move on to your thank you page. Select this from Chrome, select this, select more tools, select developer tools, and search for tag manager. So you can see over here, this is the Google tag manager code over here. You can see over here This also tells us that the Google tag is actually present over here on your website. So this is another way as well to check for cross checking or doing a manual checkup. So yeah, in case if you need help or assistance with Google Tag Manager, you can hire me and my team, and we can help you in doing the conversion manager on your website. The tag manager, the conversion tracking system, we can help you. You can hire us through the link in the description, and we can get it sorted. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.